Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you enjoy going on a picnic?
Do you know how to talk about picnic plans, food, and outdoor activities in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about going for a picnic.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet. Why?
How about going for a picnic?
That sounds like a great idea.
The weather will be sunny.
Perfect for a picnic.
Where should we go?
How about the city park?
I like that place.
It has a beautiful lake and lots of trees.
Yes, it's very peaceful.
What time should we meet?
How about 9 o'clock in the morning?
That's perfect.
Should we invite our friends?
Yes, the more the merrier.
Great. I'll send them a message.
Awesome.
What should we bring?
Let's make a list.
I'll bring sandwiches.
I'll bring fruit and drinks.
Great.
Should we bring a picnic blanket?
Yes, definitely.
I'll bring one.
What about snacks?
I'll bring potato chips and cookies.
I'll bring some juice.
Don't forget bottled water.
Good idea.
Should we bring a speaker for music?
Yes, but let's keep the volume low.
Of course.
I'll also bring a frisbee.
That will be fun.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You arrived right on time.
I didn't want to be late.
The park looks beautiful today.
The weather is perfect.
Let's find a nice place to sit.
How about under that big tree?
Great idea.
I'll spread out the blanket.
I'll unpack the food.
Everything looks delicious.
Thank you.
I'm getting hungry already.
Me too.
Let's eat first and then go for a walk.
Sounds like a perfect plan. The sandwiches are delicious.
Thank you. I'm glad you like them.
The fruit is very fresh too.
I bought it this morning.
Great choice.
Would you like some orange juice?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The weather is wonderful today.
Yes, it's sunny but not too hot.
I can hear the birds singing.
It's so peaceful here.
I'm really enjoying this picnic.
Me too.
After lunch, let's take a walk around the lake.
I'd love to.
Don't forget your camera.
Good idea. I'd like to take some photos.
The flowers are beautiful.
They are.
What should we do now?
Let's play frisbee.
Sounds fun.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Here it comes.
I caught it.
Nice catch.
That was fun.
Let's play one more round.
Okay.
Now I'm a little tired.
Me too.
Let's sit down and relax.
Good idea.
I really enjoy spending time outdoors.
So do I.
We should do this more often.
I completely agree.
Next time, we can invite more friends.
That would be even more fun. Today was a wonderful day.
Yes, I had a great time.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Go for a picnic.
Excellent.
Picnic blanket.
Very good.
Sandwiches.
Perfect.
Take a walk.
Great.
Take photos.
Wonderful.
Play frisbee.
Excellent.
Enjoy the outdoors.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about picnic activities in English now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for spending the day with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's go on another picnic soon.
I'd love that.
See you next time.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for planning and enjoying a picnic with friends.
You also learned how to talk about food, outdoor activities, games, and relaxing in nature.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.